everyone, it's me Mukil again. We watched how PD escaped from the jail. Let's see what happens next. Keep watching this video. Dogman got a call from Sarah and Sarah says, I got a clue. The robber only stole tiny treasure. Just guess what, they're made of plastic. And he didn't steal any money. Now PD came to know this and he got an idea and he made a giant treasure chest and he used a love ray to put it on people and they said, let's have a fancy feast together. You're so awesome, PD. And they all said those words and PD said, no thanks, can you just put all your money in this treasure chest? Soon things were out of control and PD was zapping everybody with love ray and Dogman took his favorite bone and he tied a string to it and gave it a toss and he landed on PD's treasure chest and PD was trying to zap him with his love ray but Dogman was in the other side and he pulled the leather and the money went back outside and PT fell down and all the people said, we want to have a feast with you, PT, and we love you, PD, they said. And PD went to jail by his own and said, jail is the safest place to be. And the big fight ends here. The tensions in the city is still so high and Dogman was still obsessed with the balls and Chief and Sarah were trying to tell him it's a leather and he didn't even listen and Flat Pat PT had another plan. He saw a museum and he went in it and he saw a T-Rex skeleton and he asked the magician to give the live spray and he sprayed it on the T-Rex and he ordered to destroy Dogman and the T-Rex was chasing Dogman and Chief told Dogman that skeletons are made out of bones, Dogman, and Dogman looked back and ran and jumped onto the T-Rex skeleton and he licked. He loves bones so much, that's why naturally it made him to go back and lick the bones. And Flat PD said, at least I got the treasure chest. The stranger came back to the city and he was throwing stuff with his mind and Flat Patty was like, oh, how could you do this stuff? And what's your name? Flat Patty asked the stranger and the stranger said, my name doesn't matter. What can I do does matter, he said. And he threw some more stuff until Zuzu got an idea. Zuzu is Sarah's dog. Zuzu ripped the coat and Chief said, this looks familiar. It's my purple coat, Chief said. And that's my orange table. And that's a box. And they took the box and they soon realized it was Flippy. And Chief said, why Flippy, why? And Flippy said, I'll tell you why I did this stuff. I was minding my own business earlier today and brain dots fell and I ate all of them thinking they were fish food and my mind grew really powerful and I can cut stuff and take stuff with my mind. I made the table looked like Petey's legs and tail, and I cut the box, and I took the coat and I disguised myself. This is where the secret is revealed. Flippy is the robber. Damian and Chief went up the mountain, and Flat Petty was with the treasure chest, and Chief said, Flat Petty, I have had enough with your monkey business. And Flat Petey said, you forgot that you'll be frozen. Paper doesn't freeze, said Flat Petty, and Damian slobbered all over Flat Petty, his another dark side, and he was frozen. And Chief said Flat Petty was right. Paper doesn't freeze, but paper with liquid freezes in ice. And he became a sled shape, and they all sledded down the mountain. So story ends. For further stories, please support and subscribe my channel.